welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an unboxing day. So this is my PaperHouse Productions order. They recently came out with a collection called This Is Us, which features like 10 different designers. I think I ordered it on launch day or pre-launch day, and then it came in about a week. So I've had this box for a couple days. I just haven't had the chance to film, so let's go ahead and jump into this. It came in this pretty blue box, which kind of makes you think that I ordered a lot, but I actually didn't. I love their packaging though. And I peeped and came like this, all stuff. So I'm going to push the box off to the side so we can take a peep at everything that I got. I did already peep at it, but I wanted to do a proper unboxing with you. First up is the rolls of washi from Sugary Gal Shop. Let's see if I can carefully open this. Oh, wait, no. Ooh. I think I'm just gonna rip it because I also bought something else from her, so I apologize. So this one comes with 4 sets of washi, 4 different washi's. Oh, but that is super cute. Maybe I can save it though. We shall see. So this first one, let me see if I can unroll it. Oh, here we go. This first one is a bow ombre pattern. Super cute. I've never ordered from Sugary Gal Shop before, but I have heard of her quite a lot, so I couldn't wait to order. This next one says it's a woman powered one, so it says empower women in different types of font. Empower women, empower women. Oh my gosh, it's not even focusing. Hold on. That part says empower women. It says we are better together, which is like the theme of the collection. So there is that washi. Okay, and then there is this one, which is the flex. It just looks like gold flex on a purple midnight sky background, which I thought was super pretty. The cardboard insert for these are kind of big, so it makes you look like there isn't that much washi on it, but it says that there's 3 yards of washi, so that's not too bad. Also, this was the big roll, the wide roll in it. So this comes with the different girls from Sugary Gal Shop. Sorry for all the background noise. I do live near a fire station. Ooh. So it just shows several different types of girls in all different ethnicities. So that is super fun. So next up on here is from Wire and Honey, I got some die cuts. I've never heard of Wire and Honey before, so but Sugary Gal Shop is also at Sugary Gal Shop on Instagram, and Wire and Honey is also at Wire and spelled out Honey on Instagram also. So the first die cut we have, I think you get 4 of everything, it looks like. So the first die cut we have is proud to be different, sensitive, creative, empathetic, brave, and kind. Put everything off to the side. Then we have some, trying to put them all together so they look really nice. We have hearts, a pink heart with a white banner that says smash the patriarchy. You have this fist with like artsy designs that says stand for equality. You have this ice cream cone with the world that says keep it cool. You have this round one that says it's a light bulb and it says educating is activism. Ooh, this one's super pretty. This one is black with gold lettering. It says raise hell and change the world. This one is a purple with like a, what is it called? The globe thing that says the future is inclusive. This is gold with white lettering that says stand up. This one is light blue with cats and it says more cats, less catcalling. We have this one, white one with the Statue of Liberty and a bunch of ethnicities in the background, and it says one out of many with the Statue of Liberty doing a stand-up fist. This one is a red speech bubble that says speak out. And this one is a big die cut or sticker that says without all of us there are none of us, intersectional feminism. And that is all from Wire and Honey's die cut sticker pack. And there was 8 pieces, 10 pieces with 12. 12 pieces with 4 each. I can do math, people, I promise. Next up is Indynivy Ink, which is found at Indynivy Ink on Instagram. I got her small sticker book because I wanted to try her out. I haven't tried her out before. These dolls look super cute, and it says on the front, darling, just own it. So you have some monthly black and neutral stickers with gold lettering, and some dolls and some bows and some small boxes. You have white monthly labels with gold lettering and some bows and some stars. You have some quote stickers. You have some more dolls and some neutrals. I like this one that says be your own queen. I also like this one that says fire in her soul and grace in her heart. There's some more neutral date covers, to-do list, date covers, labels. Some functional stickers, some full box stickers, some dates, and some decorative stickers, more dates covers, and some checklists, smaller checklists and hydration trackers, more decorative stickers, and yeah, that's it. If there's a sticker book, I will try and do a plan with me. I can't guarantee when I'm gonna do it, but I will try at some point to get a plan with me up. So this is from Indynivy Ink. Next up in my box is a sticker book from Jamison Reid. So this is her, oh, I should put this on the side. just push them all on the side. In the front it says be your own kind of beautiful, and it's got some rose gold on it, if you could see that shimmer. So there is that. This one has a lot of quote stickers, which I thought was really neat, and a lot of foiling. I also hadn't bought from Jamison Reid before Jamison Reid Designs, but she's on Instagram at Jody Tenzer if you're looking for her. Didn't know that. This also some half boxes, some flags, some date covers, stickers, and some hearts. Lots of dolls, lots of inclusive dolls. Ooh, book girl with books. Ooh, looking pretty. Some functional stickers, some habit trackers, and some weekly habit trackers. Some canceled, reschedule, weekend stickers, and some hydration trackers. More dolls. Some checklists, some to-do lists, to-do labels, and other labels in plurals. More dolls. Monthly stickers, checklist, and notes page, and that is all. This is from Jamison Reid again Designs. Next up is the sticker book from the Sugary Gal Shop. This one is super cute. This is more of her dolls in all different work styles. This is Planner Girls Unite. We are better together. Support and encourage each other. Empower women. More monthly stickers, functional stickers. Lots of foiling and glitter. I love these ombre stickers. Monthly date covers. I apologize if you can hear the TV in the background. Matt is in the other room. Hopefully it's not too bad. More dolls and girls, checklists, flags, full box stickers, currently reading, self-care stickers. Ooh, look at these. These are super cute. I like her. More ombre functional stickers, more dolls and functional stickers, and circle functional dolls too. So that is Sugary Gal Shop. Next up is the book from Mommy Lhey, and it says Just Be You on it with gold foiling. So her designs have dolls and florals. There's lots of date covers and functional stickers. More date covers and numbers and arrows. Lots of like big quote stickers. Dolls and fun stickers. Monthly covers in 2 different fonts. There are 3 different font styles. Weekly covers, functional stickers, more weekly covers, some fun decorative stickers, some date covers with some ombre dots, heart checklist, and some fun decorative circle stickers. So that is all from Mommy Lhey. Oh gosh, my legs are killing me today, people. Sorry about all the movement. So the last thing I got is a book from and Mommy Lhey is at Mommy Lhey on Instagram. I think she also has her personal Instagram if you want to follow her there too. I think it's Lhey Bella, but I will try and remember to link all these Instagrams down below. So the last sticker book, I just got a full sticker book. It's 89 pieces, and it is from Pretty Prints and Paper. She is Pretty Prints and paper, all one word, on Instagram, and she has a website also. I'm sure all of these people have websites. So this is purpley ombre stuff. So this one page has full boxes, functional stickers, lots of large like sidebar boxes with functional stickers. Ooh. Lots of full boxes, checklists, day covers. Yes, lots of very large full box stickers, and there are some washi pieces over here. So that is everything that I got in my PaperHouse Productions order. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul, and let me know if you guys want me to do a plan with me. Of course, I'll probably end up doing it anyway. And if you picked up anything from the PaperHouse Productions line, if you have any or this line, or have shopped at any of these shops and what you recommend, I'm always looking for recommendations, and I'm hoping to get very much more back into my planner game, even though I think I'm going minimalist. But yes, there are several stickers and designs that I want to try out, and congrats to all the designers. Even if I didn't pick up your things, I still congrats to you for getting in with a big major production company. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching. Please keep up with me on Instagram and all those things. All that info is in the end card, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.